Well, I enjoyed sharing my happy place with you yesterday, so I'm sharing a little bit more. My big, beautiful pineapple. I was thrilled with it. And my lovely hibiscus that I grew from a cutting. I know I had another pineapple growing that I wanted to share. Aren't they wonderful? So, my yard is kind of a mess right now, but that's okay. My pond is not so lovely, but the plants are. And then I have two of these beauties. And those are over by my grapevines that I want to share with you. So here's my grapevines. I don't see any grapes. And then this hodgepodge is my passion fruit plant. So I am having a peaceful morning. I hope you are too. This is Lisa, your stylist, with a piece of me moment. Have a peaceful day.